Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how to simplify algebraic fractions, and the one that we have on the screen here is at the top end of a difficulty level you will expect to meet in GCSE. Now, with any combination of fractions, when we're trying to add or subtract fractions, we need to get the denominators the same in order to be able to add or subtract them. And the standard practice for that is to take the denominator of a second fraction and multiply top and bottom of the first fraction with that denominator. And then to do exactly the same with the second fraction, multiply it top and bottom by the denominator of the first fraction. And here we are, this is what we're doing here. So we've taken the x minus 1 from the denominator of the second fraction and we've multiplied top and bottom the first fraction. And the second fraction is multiplied top and bottom by the denominator of the first fraction. Now, multiplying out these brackets, we get x times x gives x squared, 2 times x gives 2x, x times minus 1 gives minus x, and 2 times minus 1 gives minus 2. The second one, we have x times x. Well, we don't need to do the second one because it's exactly the same as the first one. So we end up with exactly the same set of terms on the bottom of this fraction as we have on the first fraction. And that's the two denominators, the same at this point. We could actually combine the two fractions here, but we're going to simplify the denominator just a little bit before we do that. And we do that by collecting like terms. You'll see that we've got 2x minus x, and 2x minus x just gives us x. Then we multiply out the top of each fraction, the numerator. We've got x times x giving x squared, minus 1 times x giving minus x, x times minus 1 giving minus x, and minus 1 times minus 1 giving plus 1. Here we have x times x giving x squared, 3 times x giving 3x, x times 2 giving 2x, and 3 times 2 giving 6. We can simplify those as well by combining like terms like we did earlier on. The minus x gives minus 2x, and the 3x plus 2x gives 5x. Now we can combine both fractions together over the same denominator, and you'll see that I've got the first fraction numerator here plus the second fraction numerator there. Finally, the last step is to combine all terms that are the same. So we've got x squared plus x squared giving 2x squared, minus 2x plus 5x giving 3x, and 1 plus 6 giving 7. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for listening.